Here we are, welcome to Aegina, another small island off of Athens. And here's all of the restaurants and bars that line the waterfront. They're taking siesta now. I can understand that it's extremely hot outside. It's 4 o'clock and it's hot and sweaty, but you can see the water.
We will be leaving behind us in a few moments the city and the port, crossing a very green and fertile island covered with olive trees, vines, fig trees, and famous pistachio nut cheese, main production of the island, and the reason for which the island is known to us Greeks as the Pistachio Nut Island. Dentro de algunos momentos dejamos el puerto y la ciudad para atravesar la isla patente verde y fértil, cubierta de olivos, viñas, higueras y los famosos alfonfigos, los pistachos, producto más importante de la isla. Es por eso que la isla está conocida los otros griegos como la isla de los pistachos. Vamos a ver árboles de pistachos al lado derecho, al lado izquierdo, hasta nuestra llegada al santuario de Athena.
Our air-conditioned bus, that goodness for air-conditioning. So come with us, Ivan Mark, and we take you all over Greece, US, and the world to see everything beautiful, unique, exciting. Look at those pretty pink flowers all over the islands. We see that. Good morning and enjoy. Greetings from Ivan Mark. Our motto is Live Well, Travel Well, and this is the way to enjoy.